Exercise 1.2, question 5. Let's read it. It says find the difference. What do you understand by difference? Let's keep breaking this down. Difference is when you subtract, so it's subtraction. Find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using the digits 62743 exactly once. Each will be used once. So you have to create two numbers. If they gave you two numbers and said just find the difference, well, that would be easy. You just do your subtraction. But here you first have to create your numbers. Now you should know how one number gets bigger than another. So this part from the book can really help you understand that if you have a doubt. So I have these two numbers 4875 and 3542. If I want to know which one is bigger, since both of them are 4-digit numbers, I can start comparing from the first digit only. First digit here is 4 in 4875 and the first digit in the second number is 3. So you have 4,000 something in the first one, 3,000 something in the second one. Obviously the first one is greater, right? So this happens if they have different first digits. It's very easy to compare. If suppose they had the same digit at the thousands place, for example 4875 and 4542 have the same thousands place, then the next thing you see is the hundreds place. So you have 800 something in the first one, 500 something in the second one. Obviously 800 is more than 500. So therefore you move to the next digit. If the thousands are equal, you move to the hundreds place. And because that is greater in 4875, that will be greater. And similarly, you keep going on. So all this discussion we don't need for this question. For this question, because both of them will be 5-digit numbers only, and their first digits will be, let's see what the first digits will be. I don't want to tell you in advance. But what I know is that the greater than my first digit, the greater that the first digit becomes, the greater will my entire number become. Only the first digit here, the 4 and the 3, only these two decided which number was greater. So if I'm trying to write down the greatest 5-digit number that I can form, greatest number we can form will be what? You start with the greatest possible digit. Out of all these 5 digits that you have, the greatest digit is 7. So you start with a 7. And then to keep it big enough to still keep it very big, take the next greatest digit. So you take 6, which is the next one. Then the next one is 4. Then there is 3. And then there is 2. There is nothing greater than this number that you can form using these digits. Similarly, if I want to talk about the least number that we can form, we will start with the smallest possible digit and give it the biggest position. That means you really have to take just the reverse of this. Just take 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. It's exactly going in the opposite direction. Simple. And then finally, we had to find out what? We had to find out the difference between these two, right? So the difference is equal to, it's 76432 minus, difference is subtraction, 23467. Let's do this subtraction together now. You can try this on your own as well. Let's write them one below the other like this and subtract them properly. Do it with me. So 2 minus 7, 2 is smaller, so I need to borrow, alright. 12 minus 7 is 5. Then again I need to borrow. 12 minus 6 is 6. Then this is 5. 13 minus 4 is 9. 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. I didn't need any more borrowing. So my answer is 52,965. And we're done.